Welcome back to Wrector on another day. So right now as a new signal I shorted A and B. So this is a signal. So why did I short A and B? I mean the supply is so tight, it's only a 4% movement, but likely it's easy to take a long from here. I think we could gain a little from the short. So our targets are only like 4% movement versus a 4% stop loss. So there is a profit book at 1.5% and then the 4%. So let's see if it works out. But likely when I look at this, it should be low. Let's see. Let's see how things goes. I guess I was right. It should have been a long, so we just did hit. We just did hit stop loss. My goodness, that was a $80 loss. So I should have just stuck to my technical analysis and did the right thing instead of thinking of what to do on my own. So let's move forward for the next trade. Okay, so we shorted AMB again. Let's see how things goes this time. So I also did get into a short on RLC USDT. Looks good to me with we do have divergences on the official everything, and then we have a good resistance over here. So this I don't think we will drop massive, but the maximum somewhere around here. So let's see around 60%. So right now we are on 70% profits. I think you need to book this here. Make sure you book. Okay, so I closed 75% on AMB. I don't want it to swing. We are right now we are 38% on this, so I'm gonna close 50% here. That's that. So let's update. I closed 50% here. Okay, so we booked some profits. I'm just gonna close everything bullshit. I mean, I just closed. I mean, I booked some. Okay, let's. I closed my BTC as well, so let's try to look. I think, yeah, we will most likely meet somewhere here. We could try to get an entry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set an alert for the price over here. So let's do that. Let's leave BTC like that. Holy shit! Look at them. Ooh, could I short this one? What's PHB doing? We have AMB, PHB. Okay, guys. I think we will book some. I think yeah, we'll just book some more over here. I think there might be some sort of reversal. Let's cancel our limit orders and let's move stop losses to entry on this one. Let's do this simply to 100%. Yeah, let's leave that like that. Let's look at Zim right now. Okay, so it looks good to me to short this one. So let's quickly look through the indicators. Everything is like super high, but then this is also like fucking dangerous, you know. Sometimes you get fucked and get pumped, but I think it's okay to take a risk, right? What's the range? Yeah, I think we should do it. Short Zim. I think let's go with $50. We'll have to have two entries on this one, so let's quickly do some work. Yeah, okay, so this one I am sending it uh, with two entries as well, so that way our risk is managed and we take a low loss because we do take many signals during our trading sessions. We don't just do one to two, so the fuck just happened. Buy bit instantly hit. Okay, that's buy bit. Stupid. Okay, so have a long time position anchor came into entry. I just go close 50% now. I just don't want to risk it. But then we have been playing this on long term. So right now we need to look at alpha. So let's look at that. Let's try to see what's up with this. Let's quickly do some analysis. So this was the bottom, right? So over here looks good to me. Where is our stop loss? Our stop loss is at 0.02331. Those are not signaled on the channel because those are my personal trades. So I think our stop loss is a little bit way below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna ladder this one. $37. Let's go. Yeah, so let's do that. I think now our risk is okay. We'll worry about reef later. I think I mean this anchor was at probably 100% or so profits yesterday. Or more. I was too greedy and I did not book it. I mean we opened this 2 days ago, right? So yesterday around here, yeah, this was like on super profits. I did not book it because it was a long-term signal. But then I hope to get to the bottom of these longs. So let's see how those work. Okay, so waves look potential. So we do have a triple bottom over here. So let's quickly look into daily. Oh my god, what the fuck? My goodness. Are we at all-time low? Holy shit. I mean, looks like, okay. I think waves is nice. Probably on 10x, right? I should check this on 10x. Babes, long term hold 10x. So what? Since it's a long term hold, I don't know why. Let's go $50, right? Yeah, let's go $50. So let's quickly signal waves. Yeah, so this is it for waves. Let's do it. So right now on XEM, okay, I think we did hit target one now. Oh shit, I always don't close, bloody hell. Target one done, boys. Yeah, this happens to me always. It's not fucking forgettable. Okay, you know what? Fuck this shit. I'ma book some here. Let's let it run. Okay, so right now we are 50% profits in on them. So let's yeah, my goodness. Da dee da 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 da. Okay, so right now we are 77 profits in them. So that uh let's look for new. I actually want to play on PHB, but then man, I should have shot at this last night. My goodness. What's Doge doing? Let's quickly look onto BTC right now. It's good that we close. Let's look into ETH. So yeah, so we want to get into ETH somewhere over here, right? I think it's best to wait right now or to short, right? So we don't have to worry about the waves now because that's 200% stop loss. And it was supposed to be on 10x, so let's forget that. Mask looks good. Probably at might long at this support level. Let's see. Okay, so AMB spiked, right? So let's do that. Where is AMB? So let's do that. Let's keep AMB small because this anything could happen on this one. I think I should be getting on out of anchor, right? Because this was already profited and then we got it. Let's wait, let's wait. Let's see if there are any changes. Some mask. Some mask is there. So let's wait on this one. Okay, so as we planned before on the video, BTC did drop below our level, so I just quickly got a long. So why did I get a long into this? We do have proper leg support over here, and then the stop loss is I've given it at 15,300, so that's 4% minus 500% on sorry, minus 100% on this. So let's see, our targets are at 130%, 250%, and then 500%. Right? So I went in with $30. I mean, yeah. So let's see. I think it's time that we close our shorts, right? Should I take that risk or could we fall down? I don't know. But then I guess let's quickly get into daily. I mean, there is literally no support over here unless you see on the 20th of Friday 2020. My goodness. Yeah, my goodness. So let's quickly get into weekly. Yeah, so I think we are on weekly support level. I mean, there's literally nothing here. Just have to believe on the trade. If it hits stop loss, it does hit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So let's see. So yeah, PHP. My goodness, we could have shorted that. Would have been instant 300% profits. It is what it is. So let's see how BTC will play out. I think I need to. Let's see. Hmm. So I guess let's move stop losses now, right? Not much we can do. Let's remove XGM limits and let's hit with moving stop losses into entry. What do we have? We have MKR. So. Okay, that's done. All right, I think it's good to go with E. Let's do ETH USDT long, boys. 0.5%, 100x. Let me signal that. Okay, so I guess we did miss the mask long. I forgot to spot this one. My goodness. We were watching it right here. We wanted it to come all the way down here to get this long. I was out and we missed that one. Well, let's see if we could still get into this. My god, if I was holding the mask short all the way down, I made some good profits. What is? Do you think I should be? I think today might be the last drop, right? Looking at Bitcoin. Yeah, we could at least see a retrace to somewhere over 18,000. So let's see. I don't know for sure, but let's see. Okay. So back to mask. I mean, one, two, three, four, five, six. Do I want the seventh entry? My bad, yeah. Margin ratio is 3% on my account right now. Let's wait. Okay, guys, so I took a ladder on this one. Most likely, I think we'll be hitting stop loss. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like the stop loss will be hit. I think we are close, right? Yeah, it will be hit, most likely. Okay, so I finally decided that I will get into mask long. We did signal it over here, so I mean I'm risking too much of my portfolio right now. So we got in with a $50. Oh, by the way, it came up a little bit. Well, anyways, I had given up on this trade. Let's see how it works. Oh wow, look at this. My goodness. We came so close. Bloody hell, man, bloody hell. What's up with it? I think with this sort of up down volatility. Oh my god. Let's wait. Alright, my friends, so Musk just did target one. Oh, why did you keep asking this? I thought eat. There you go, the targets, bro. Okay, so eat. My goodness, look at this. Wow, eat? Really? What the fuck? So close to stop loss, and then it comes all the way back green. Alright, so we finally hit green. Neat. Oh god, so many signals. Where the hell is Bitcoin? Did I not signal Bitcoin? What the fuck? Oh god. BTC, where are you? Oh, here. Okay. So Bitcoin with the target one hit. Not yet. So we have 50%, 56% on mask. Okay, things look good so far. Let's get back into the. Hmm. Okay, so I closed 50% on mask. Okay, so I closed 50% on mask. Okay, that was a quick one. I had to short CLO and then we're gonna book it. We're having a slight drop on our positions. It is Ethereum is back to entry. Let's see. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it at entry, not gonna book anything. I guess we'll just have to close 50% and remind them to do this. Okay, so we have waves. Okay, so I believe today might be the last fucking discounted day. So do you think we'll go to the moon, baby? Okay, so right now I'm looking at Storm J. I wonder if we could short this. Let's try to get a Fibonacci retracement. Okay. Uh, so let's try to get trend line support. Okay, so we do have several points connecting. This breakout might be big. Yeah, it's true. Oh shit. Just to keep this in mind, this is going to be intended. So we are not taking this trade. Uh, quite. Yeah, I think we'll just let Storm JB. So right now ETH, we are 100% profited on ETH. Okay, so right now I just closed everything except for the ones in two losses. These two are not channel signals, so that's fine. I guess we'll have to wait for new signals. Okay, guys, so we just shorted band with a minus 40% stop loss. Well, I think it was a bad decision to close everything. I thought we could get more market discounts, but then my initial decision was right. We would have been in 200% profits on ETH. Yeah, 180% profits on Mars could have been 100%. What a waste, guys. We had good entries. That's fine. So why did I short band, right? So we do have a good resistance over here, and also if we go on the 1 hour, we would definitely find a Fibonacci retracement, and then you could see a minor resistance drawn all the way up to here. Yeah, so I guess we have more points over here. So I think overall it's a good entry. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna immediately at the target one take profit. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay guys, as for our last trade, I'm gonna long PHP BUSD here. So why did I do that? Sort of there is a reversal on RSI, and then there is some sort of a support level over here. Oops. There is some sort of support level over here. So why not? We had so much of wins today. We could take a loss. Let's see how things goes. Okay, so we did hit our target one. Let's see how things goes. All right, we moved the stop loss to entry after hitting 50%. That got closed over there. So what? I'm sort of interested in getting into ETH or Bitcoin. Uh, but then my idea is if you look through this, right, we have been pushing downwards like always. So let's try to get a trend line running on this. So we could do that over here. Yeah. So yeah, let's say this is a zone. Yeah. So if you look at this right here, we do see that the sellers are pressurizing Bitcoin more than the buyers, right? So what do you think could happen over here? It's quite confusing. I've been watching ETH and Bitcoin moving. I had my doubts if I should pick the long from here, but then if we did, we'll be on 100% on Bitcoin and then close to 200% on ETH. Uh, but then I still had my doubts if we would really reverse from this area because we lived this line based on what was this? I can't remember. This is the trend line support. Yeah. So if you look on the next support, right, we actually don't have one. So we could say that let's go back into history. So this is uh, likely the next support level. So I'm not gonna draw a horizontal line. I mean, sorry, I'm not gonna draw a rectangle. I'm just gonna draw a horizontal line, just to mark this over here, so we could see the other end. And then we do have another level over here, let's say. So let's get that as well. So now let's get into the present level. So this level has been broken, right? So then our next support level is white. I don't know, it's sort of confusing, dude. Let's mark here. Let's get rid of those lines and then let's go back. Okay, so it's broken. Where are we? 15,500. So yeah, 15,500. So this area is like the next support, right? We don't really see anything else on history. So if you don't bounce between let's say 700 and between 15,000, let's say 15,200, we are looking towards 14,700. So that's sort of a big thing to run on 125x, right? So what do I want to do? I mean, it's so dangerous to run something on 125x on Bitcoin right now. So if I'm to run on 20x, right? So let's say 5% spot level. So this is 100% loss, 15,100, right? So it's much safer to run Bitcoin on maybe 50x, right? So that 2.5 is 15,600. So that's a trade on 1%. So we could do a 2%, 15,200, right? So that's a 5% over there. Yeah, we could look for 3%. If you look through a breakout, then it's 5% over there. But then what has history looked like, right? So if you take this incident over here, right? We do have a similar incident over here where we did have the breakout, and then we do have a similar incident over here which went to the bottom and then bottom and top, right? So the history doesn't look good. So to our next support level, it's like 1.71 distance. Ooh, quite tricky, guys. So if I run this on 50x on a 1% margin, I mean, just for an example, this would be 100%, and this would be 3%, will be 200%. So we do have three bottom and three top. I mean, it's quite tricky. Let's get into DOM, right? Actually, let's get into ETH BTC. Yeah. So if you look at ETH versus ETH on Bitcoin, right? So yeah. So if we did look, I mean, there is my own old analysis. We did predict the super dump. Bang bang. When was this? January 2nd. So yeah, let's remove our old drawings. Doesn't need anymore. So so although things are broken here, we do see a rising wedge. What else do we see? So the possible reversal for rising edge is in a distance of 4% on spot. I mean, it's best not to play Bitcoin right now, but it is best to set a limit order. That's what I think. I mean, unless you want to go in with a smaller margin, and by the time we talk about this, Bitcoin just spiked up again. Just look ETH. spiked up. So what happens normally when when I don't take a trade, it comes all the way here. That's how it has been. But then, I mean, it's not important to risk, that much. Ooh. Where was our entry on 0.6445? Okay, so our entry was here. It's going back up. Let's look at A and B and see what's up with A and B. So we did have this breakout, so it's this line is not needed anymore. So this is a trend line, right? So let's change the color. Let's look at the band. I mean, I did short band, right? What happened to band? I mean, I got this on the second line. So we did make profits and then it hit stop loss. I did not notice it came all the way back up. What a waste. Could have been some good money. Yeah, let's look at the bell. IoT. Let's look at the 40. Holy shit. I mean, someone on channel did mention to short Cody, but then I was clueless, man. This would have been a good 260% short. Let's just wait a few more minutes. I mean, if you look at the P&L today, we have made $194. That's 5.5% of the account. But you did see that we did not book our profits on time. We panic closed most of the things. I mean, if we did everything right, we would have gained around 8 to 10%. Like I think we made 10 trades today. One was a loss. So yeah, that's that. So I'm still not sure about BTC and it. Let's wait. Okay, so I guess we'll end our day here. So today we have made 5% gains. Well, I think that's quite okay. 5% a day. So let's look into the trades tomorrow.